It's in your phone. Yes, all those shares you've been eyeing, MTN, Zenith Bank, Access Bank, Dangote Cement, BUA, all of them, they are in your phone. You can access them from your phone. All you need is an online broker, and I'll show you how. In this video, I'm going to go straight to the point and show you how to buy a share from the Nigerian stock market in case you've been wondering how to do so. All you need is your phone, internet, a brokerage app, and some money in the brokerage trading wallet. So for this video, I'm going to use InvestNaija by Chapel Hill. You can use any broker of your choice, but I'm just going to use this for illustration purposes. The first thing I'll do is to fund my wallet. I already did that. So all I need to do now is to come to the investing section. I'll click on that. I already see the list of some securities they have here, MTN, Airtel, and all that, but I'm not interested in that yet. So I'll click on see all securities. So this will give you the list of all the stocks trading in the Nigerian Stock Exchange. And if you have any specific company in mind, all you need to do is to come to the search section and type in the name of that company. For example, I'm looking for Zenith, so I'll type in Zenith, and there, Zenith Bank. I click on that. Now I can see the trading page of Zenith. So first of all, before we dive into the main thing, which is buying the share, I need to show you some of the key things you see on the trading page. The first thing here is a graph. So this shows you the trend of Zenith Bank's shares over the period of time. So you can choose to see the trend over 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and so on. So this is important because it shows you how the price of this stock has moved over this period of time. And with that, you can roughly assess how volatile this stock is. At the top of the screen, under the name of the company, you can see the market price. So this is basically the current market price of this company's shares. Then when you scroll down, you click on buy if you are willing to buy. When you click on buy, it's going to ask you to select the price type. So this is more like the type of order you want to place, and it can either be a market order or a limit order. So a market order basically means you are asking the broker, which is InvestNaija, to buy this stock for you at the best available price in the market. However, limit order means you are setting a price that you want to buy this stock at. So currently the price is 76.5 naira. So you can set a limit order of say 76.7 naira. So what you are basically telling the broker is that I don't want to buy this stocks at a price higher than 76.7 naira, if that is what you set as your limit price. So for the sake of this video, we are going to go with market order. So I click on my market order and it shows 76.5 naira because that is the current market price. Then I select trading terms. So there are two options here. There is good for the day and good till cancel. Good for the day means that they will have this order open, and if at the end of the day this order is not filled in, they will cancel it. Then good till cancel means that they will have this order open, and even if they don't get a seller, or even if they are not able to execute this order, they will still have it open until you cancel it. So we'll choose good for the day, and then we'll select how many units of shares we want to buy. So let's say we are buying 1,000 units of Zenith Bank, and that gives us 76,500 naira. So I click on next. So when you click on next, it will basically show you a summary of your order, because this is an order. It's more like you're going online to shop online. This is the same thing when it comes to buying shares from an online broker. So it will give you a summary so that you can look at the details and confirm that they are in line with what you want to do. So it tells you that this is a market order, you are buying the order, and it is good for the day. You are buying 1,000 units at a unit price of 76.5 naira, and we can see the consideration markup inclusive of 84,150 naira. If we were buying at a limit price, or if we are placing a limit order, this consideration would have been 76,500 naira, which is 1,000 times 76 naira 50 kobo. This is because we are setting the price we want to buy these shares at. However, if you are buying at the market, even if the current market price is 76 naira 50 kobo, the price might change before your shares or before your trade is executed. And because of this, the broker tries to add a buffer, which is about 10% in this case, just in case the price changes before your shares are executed. However, if they were able to execute this order at a lower consideration than the 84,150 we have here, your wallet will only be debited for the amount you paid for those shares. So don't worry, you are safe in that aspect. Then we can see the fees, which includes alert, stamp duty, NSE fees, brokerage commission, and then we have an estimated total of 85,695 naira 30 kobo. So what we need to do now is to click on buy stock. And that's it. That is it. You are a stock owner. Or should I say you're a shareholder of Zenith Bank. It's that simple. This is not financial advice. I'm not saying you should go and buy Zenith Bank. I only used it as an illustration. And for the broker, you can use any broker of your choice. There are lots of licensed brokers in the Nigerian stock market. So you can choose any one of your choice and use that to buy your stocks. I just wanted to let you know that that thing you think is very difficult is not difficult. However, as I always say on my page, before you start, you need to get the knowledge, no matter how small. So try to make sure you understand how stocks works, the risks involved, the returns involved, and what you're investing in before you get started with any investments. This is Olivia from Make Finance Simple, where I make finance and investment very simple and easy for you to understand. Don't forget to like and share this video, follow for more, and I'll see you in the next one.